Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, make sure that the watch face option is selected. If it's not, you can use the up and down buttons to select it. Then press the start/stop button to enter. And now we can scroll through the list of watch faces by using the up and down buttons. Find the watch face you like to use on your watch, then press the start/stop button and this menu should pop out. And here we have the apply option and we can apply the watch face by pressing the start/stop to confirm like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So let's open the menu again, select the watch face, press the start/stop. For example, let's select this watch face again, and when this menu pops out, we can scroll down, and here we have a couple of options we can customize. We have the layout. If you select it and press the start button, you'll be able to change the layout of the watch face, like this. And once you're done, you can press the start button to confirm. Next, we have data. This allows us to change the basically widgets on the watch face, as you can see. And then we can press the start button, jump to next one. Then we can press start button, jump to next one. There's a couple of them now, as you can see on the sides. We can change them like that. This. And once you're done, the menu will pop out back. Then we have the accent color. We can change the color of the accent like this. Next, we have data color. This allows us to change the color of the widgets, I believe. And then we have the background color, the last option. And this allows us basically to change the color of the background to black or white. Okay. And once you're done, you can again select apply to apply the changes. Okay. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.